Today I'll show you the easiest way to make a clean before and after effect inside Adobe Premiere Pro. Step 1. Drag clips into timeline. Drag both clips, your before clip and your after clip, into the timeline. Make sure the after clip is on top and the before clip is under it. Step 2. Cut both clips. Select the razor tool and cut both clips at the exact point where you want the transition to happen. Now, delete the first part of the after clip. Delete the second part of the before clip. This way, the remaining clips will create a smooth before and after structure. Step 3. Combine the remaining clips. Move the remaining parts together so they connect without any gap. Now your timeline is perfectly ready for the wipe effect. Step 4. Apply the wipe effect. Go to the Effects panel and search for Wipe. Apply the wipe effect to both clips. Then go to the Effect Controls panel and increase the border width change. The border color to any color you like. Now the before and after divide looks clean and professional. And here you go. You've created a smooth and simple before and after transition in Premiere Pro in just a few steps.